1 million views. Like seriously, 1 million views. Thank you so much. That was a blessing. I never thought that video was gonna go that far. I just wanted to make sure I can reach out and share my knowledge that I know in the game of barbering and why I got started in doing man units with the barbers. 1 million views? I cannot believe I got 1 million views. Did I already say that?
Yes.
Anyway, I'm doing a Q&A today, guys. I could not reach back out to everybody and try to respond, but I tried to. I want you guys to know I'm not ignoring you guys' messages, and I want to reply back to everybody answer. So today I have my beautiful wife. She gonna ask me all you guys questions. She actually went through every message and tried to get the most asked questions so that she can ask them for me so you guys can get the answers for them. I'm gonna go over why I started doing man units after the questions. And if you guys got any more questions, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell so that you can get a reminder, because next video is coming up is the hairline repair. I know you guys are asking for it. It's coming up. So stay tuned. Baby.
Yes.
What you got for me?
First question, where are you based?
I'm based in Dallas, Texas. I actually cut hair in Louisville, Texas though. You can find me on Style Seek under the Fit Barber. Instagram is gonna be DA_fit FIT_barber BARBER. You guys can see more of my work on there as well. And you'll also get the updates for the classes and stuff that's coming up soon.
Next, how long does the man unit last?
I would never suggest you guys keep anything on your head more than 3 weeks. I would always say 3 to 4 weeks. 4 weeks to me is pushing it. You gotta let your scalp breathe. You can't have nothing on your scalp that long, guys. So I would never suggest that, but I have clients that they done master how to take care of it because they're used to getting it, and they can make it stretch for a month, month and a half.
Okay, so the glue in the hair that you use and prefer, where can we get it?
For me, the glue in hair I prefer is actually my own. I did a little research on hair. I tried a couple of bags, guys, and I found my own. I'm gonna be releasing it. I'm gonna be releasing it soon. It's gonna be on my website. I'm gonna be doing hair and my glue, so stay tuned for that.
Units. How much are the units?
The units, how much I charge for the units? I charge $250 for my units. If I get a recurring customer and he keeps coming back, I actually drop $50 and I start charging $200 because the more they get it, I know they like it, they loving it, and then I want to also save them some money for being loyal with me.
Can you work out in it, or can you swim?
And I tell every one of my clients, this ain't your hair. It is not your hair. Please do not leave the shop thinking I'm finna go swim, I'm finna go in the gym, throw me a headband on. Listen, those days is over with. This is not your hair. So no, more it gets wet, it kills the lifespan of the unit. You cannot wash it, you cannot go swimming, guys. It's just not for you right now.
If you work out though, can you wrap it?
Yes, please wrap it up. You can throw a wave cap on, or something above that if you want to. But just like sleeping and working out and stuff like that, you might have to throw a wave cap on. And don't tie it too tight so it won't be sweating and stuff at night. But yeah, it's a wave cap, and wrapping it up is perfect. Good question, baby. I know that came from you.
Can a woman pull on it or pull it out?
Oh, fellas, listen. The man unit got her home, but you gonna have to wrap that up when it's time for her to, you know what I mean? You cannot try to go too hard and got her all in your hair. Listen, I know you in the heat of the moment. You gotta tell baby girl to take your hands off that head. But nah, wrap it up, guys. Just both ends, please. Wrap it up both ends, but mainly make sure you put a wave cap on. You wanna tie it a little loose, but yeah, you gotta wrap your hair up. Don't get too cocky now with this unit.
How should you take care of it at night?
At night, as far as putting something on it, I would probably spray like some wig shine or something like that, and then I would just wrap it up with a wave cap. I would tie it a little loose so that it's not making you sweat more at night.
What are the best products to put on it, or should you put anything at all on it?
I suggest you not put anything on it, guys, but if you have to put something on it, add a little shine or something like that. Like I said, wig shine is perfect. That's something that you can spray on there before and after you get home and stuff like that.
What made you want to start doing man units?
Income was the most important reason I wanted to do man units, and then after taking the class and actually like mastering the craft of it, like trying to get better at it. And I actually did it on one of my clients, the first client, and his emotional reaction made me just want to really get better at it and take it serious. So guys, these guys ain't had hair on their head in like 10, 11 years. So to see some of their outcomes and the way that they react to having hair on their head and seeing how they look with it, it just made me fall in love with them, man.
So we know how much you love and admire your clients. So what has been the emotional impact on your clients?
Just confidence, giving them confidence back, like, and that's huge for a man. When a man has confidence, I mean, everything else in this day is just a little bit more easier. So giving them that young look back that they miss, just making them feel good about themselves, man. That's the most important reason I do these units. Man, it's priceless. These guys haven't had hair on their head in so long, and it's amazing to see their reaction and to see their confidence come back with every unit. What's next, baby? What you got for me? Baby did her homework, guys. Y'all should do her homework.
You give your clients more in value than what they spend in dollars.
Yes.
How did you become so passionate about your craft, and how did you learn to become so like concerned and passionate about the end result for your clients as well?
Brandon Buffer. 2 words. Brandon Buffer. He's also a barber. You guys can look him up, Brandon Buffer, on Instagram. He got a website, BrandonBuffer.com. That's my boy. He used to always tell me that I was one of those guys that whatever I wanted to get into, I'd be good at it. But if I was to actually take my time and have passion for whatever I got into, I'd be great. And I never understood what it meant when I finally caught on to it. Cutting hair came natural to me, and he used to see it in me, but I never seen it in myself. And he used to just tell me all the time, just make sure you give your clients more in value than they give you in dollars. When he say value, he mean it in everything. As far as when you come in, there's no wait for me. You guaranteed next in the chair. I'm guaranteeing you that. So I'm just trying to give my clients more in value, so they're not just feeling like I'm coming to throw you $30, $40 and I'm just getting a haircut. I sell a service. I don't sell haircuts. And I want to make sure my clients are taken care of before they leave my chair. I became passionate about it and the way that they would react.
Will you do units for Caucasian and Latin men?
Yes, I am going to be training and taking classes. Guys, invest in yourself. Please, all barbers, you got to invest in yourself. When you work in a regular 9 to 5, you are busting your ass for somebody else. When you work for yourself, you got to do the exact same thing, guys. Invest in yourself. That's the only way you're going to be successful. So yes, I will invest in myself, and I'm going to try to take a class to better my scissor game so that I can get straight hair units going.
Do you host classes, and when will be your next class?
My next class will be December 15th, guys.
Where?
It will be in Dallas, Texas, where I'm from. And then I'm going to start venturing out. I'm trying to venture out. I'm trying to travel, babe.
Dallas first.
Okay. Dallas, Texas, December 15th. It's going to be $650. It's going to be a hands-on class, guys. You will be leaving with enough equipment to be able to do your first man unit. I'm going to give you
glue.
Yeah, your hair, glue in your bag. I'm going to make sure you guys got access to vendors so you can grow your business. I'm also going to be teaching you how to do your own classes and 2 techniques that can get you money ASAP. So please stay tuned. Okay. I also do one-on-one classes. I'm trying to get the proper equipment so I can start doing some online classes. But right now I am doing one-on-one classes too. You have to email me or leave me a message for a price. Okay guys, I hope I answered every question that you guys had. If I didn't, please again comment below and I will make another Q&A to answer all questions. The next video, guys, my barbers out there, I know y'all been hitting me up. Brothers, I got you. It's coming next. It's going to be the hairline repair. I promise you. If you're not comfortable with doing units, the hairline repair will be something that you guys can start making money off of ASAP. And it's easy. It's very, very easy. It's going to be a short video, but it's going to make you a lot of money. Just stay tuned. So please subscribe, like, share.
Tell a friend.
Tell a friend. All my barbers out there, man, this is not a competition. This is an industry that I love. And I love you guys just for catering to other people. And you got the best job in the world. And I want to share all my information, all my knowledge on barbering with you guys. Thank you.
Dallas, December 15th class is also your birthday celebration.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, they got to show up.
Hey, be ready to turn up.
Yes.
With me, birthday and class. Be ready to turn up.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you guys. 1 million views, man. That was a blessing. That was a blessing. I could not believe it. Every day they were shooting up about 100,000. Barbers, please tag me.
1.2.
Tag me under these. Tag your name, please, under my videos, my comments, please. Please comment your name under this video so I can follow you guys. I can subscribe. Let's show love. Let's teach. That's the best way to be a barber, man. That's the best barber to be. Someone that teaches and shows somebody else the craft, man. Hey, that's the end of my Q&A, guys. I just want to say thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. Humble, very humble. I never thought I'd get 1 million views on no video that I would put up on YouTube. But thank you guys so much, man. It was a blessing. I love seeing the encouraging words you guys was leaving. Thank you so much. And until next time, man. Please like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Hit that little bell above so that you can get a reminder on the next video, because the next video will make you a lot of money quick. Thank you. See y'all next time.